shown increased and a keen interest in different fields of research. This research is aimed at developing their academic prowess irrespective of their credit weightage.
Ronak sir, please could you shorten it up a piece?
Well, basically, what I'm proposing is a web portal where projects under CROP will be put up, and also the projects that companies offer, and through that students can access them and apply for them. Can you repeat it?
How will it benefit students of IIT Kharagpur and all the people involved in this?
Sir, I think the benefit and the real aim can be understood by every student who has gone to a professor and asked, sir, do you have a project that I can work under?
Will be easy access to projects which will be conducted during the
Yes, it will be a unified portal where you can access the projects that the individual professors put up. Also, the companies that are startups and mid-sized companies will be displayed in that web portal.
Okay. Can you elaborate on the groundwork? Can you elaborate on the groundwork that you have done regarding this? Can you tell us the people you have met?
Yes, sir. I have contacted 7 professors, out of which all 7 of them have had commenced me for my proposal, and they have said that they will support me if this will be implemented. Yes, I'll elaborate, sir. Please let me complete. I'll elaborate. Let me complete. Let me elaborate, sir. Let me just state my point, sir, please. I've also met with Dean Shri. I've also met with Dean Sponsored Research and Industrial Consultancy, through which most of the projects in Kharagpur come, and he has said that this can be possible.
Also, have you spoken to a few companies regarding this?
Yes, I've spoken to 4 companies, and all 4 of them had given me the green signal for this proposal.
Also, have you met the professor in charge of training and placement?
Yes, I've met Professor S.K. Srivastava, head of training and placement.
Okay, sir. I believe I know a lot of people regarding your groundwork.
Of course, sir.
Okay, Ronak, just tell me, you have contacted some of the companies. Just tell me the name of the first company.
Yes, Heinz.
And who have you contacted from there?
It's listed there, sir. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Jain.
What's his authority? Who is he?
He's a managing trainee there.
Management trainee.
Yeah.
You have contacted a management trainee to confirm some kind of association.
He's involved in the company. He has spoken with his seniors, and after which he has confirmed that
What is the authority of management?
his confirmation name is attached with the proposal.
Your proposal. Your proposal is based on the confirmation. Your
Sir, are you questioning the integrity of Mr. Pradeep Kumar Jain?
No, I am questioning the integrity of you are in a public forum mentioning that I have confirmed something from Heinz on the basis of a management training.
Sir, he has spoken with his seniors, after which he had confirmed.
How many years has he worked on in Heinz? Let him answer. How many years has he worked in Heinz?
Sir, I've already answered your question. If your question...
How many years? Just answer how many years?
Sir, I'll answer in my own way. We can get a clarification on this. We will put up a notice of the Jindaka notice board. This is complete.
By now, it's fine. He has get the confirmation from a management training.
Pradeep Kumar had a point of contact who introduced you to the other senior members of this particular company.
That was what I was elaborating on.
Why did you mention those names that you confirmed from that person? Why are you
Mr. Pradeep Kumar Jain was my initial point of contact, and you can contact him if necessary.
No, I don't want to contact him. You carry on with it, but just mention those names who has authority over there.
Sir, if you want to confirm this, you can
I
contact
don't want to confirm that. You just confirm.
I've already answered your question. I've already answered your question through him. I've contacted the senior member of company.
I believe you said that Pradeep Kumar Jain was a point of contact who helped you show this proposal to a lot of seniors, and he took your approval and gave it to you. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Ronak, when will you launch this online portal?
I didn't get it, sir.
When will you launch this online portal?
Yes, I've already spoken to Professor B.K. Mathur, Dean Planning and Coordination, and also the professor in charge of the ERP system, Professor Aryan Banerjee, and he has said that he will provide us with all the details. And if I'm elected as a General Secretary Technology, I wish to hold selection for a web team and then prepare the website, and from that the students can view the project that I have available. I didn't get you, ma'am.
Can you tell me how will you be publicizing about this portal among the students?
I'll use every means of publicity that can be used by the General Secretary Technology, that is through the Facebook page of the Gymkhana, through notices, and also through the Scholars Avenue.
Ronak, in your mail, there's no signature of yours at the end of the mail, and also you have mailed to no reply. Is this how you mail officially?
I'm getting it.
You have mailed to no reply. The mail doesn't go.
Sir, the mail has come from Mr. Pratik Kumar Jain, if you read it
You
properly.
sent a mail to no reply. Utkrish, Sharad and Pratik.
Utkrish Shandilya. I'll correct you there.
And that's in DTC. Their names were in DTC and you sent a mail to
Sir,
no reply.
is there a reply or not?
Has it?
Sir, is there a reply or not?
Is this how official media sends a mail to multiple people? Then isn't it true that you have to
Sir,
add
you
all
don't
the
have Shri as well, you must be knowing that as a student committee member.
participants? That is for the participants and not for the company. As a member, you must be aware.
Rana, isn't it an official way to send the mails to multiple people to send it to no reply?
Of course.
Ronak, just one more point. You did not bother informing the company that you were contacting Mr. Pratik Kumar Jain. Isn't that the very purpose of having something called DCC? Was the company aware or not that you had contacted
Yes, of course. Pratik Kumar Jain spoke with the seniors of his company, has confirmed that. And if I am elected, I'll see to it that this proposal is implemented. Okay, from now on, if this clarification whether you actually replied is needed, we will put it up on the public notice board.
They also mentioned collaboration, so you'll be also having another organization, you're collaborating with someone. Can you please explain that?
Yes, of course. When I spoke to Dean Sponsored Research and Industrial Consultancy, he told me that to collaborate with Technology Transfer Group, and I've already spoken to the governors of Technology Transfer Group, and they have been very enthusiastic about this proposal and wish to support me there.
Okay, so already distributed responsibilities among yourself, your team, and the TTC group. Is that right?
Yes, I have done the groundwork with utmost sincerity.